Welcome to VAR India News Hour. SaaS could be India's next big story to the world. Recent rapid changes in the business environments have resulted in greater complexity. In such a scenario, effective and constructive interactions between individuals and groups have been identified as key factors towards an organization's growth. Companies, whether small or big, have taken the plunge and gone digital. Companies have been launching digital transformation initiatives, new workplace access models, or enhancing consumer experience, etc. Remote working, digital economy automation, and supply chain enhancements have made accelerated spends in technology a reality, and these trends are here to stay for the next decade. In coming years, technology-enabled businesses and companies will drive larger value creation for all stakeholders. Beyond new application areas and emerging technologies like cloud, data and analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, quantum computing, and Industry 4.0 are rapidly expanding the horizon of opportunity. While India has emerged as a global leader in outsourced IT services and the industry is poised to grow to $350 billion in the next 5 years, the opportunity arising from many of the areas mentioned will be much larger and can easily be a $1 trillion market opportunity for Indian companies in the next decade. The global SaaS market is about $150 billion and growing at a CAGR of 23%, and according to NASSCOM, India's market share in this is now only at high single digits. The Indian market for SaaS products is also growing rapidly and will grow 6 times by 2025 to touch $30 billion. With the strong growth opportunities in India, many resourceful entrepreneurs are demonstrating that they can build a business with Indian customers and then start addressing global markets. With the strong momentum demonstrated, Indian SaaS companies are expected to garner a market share of 19% by 2025. There is rapid growth of more than 70% in Indian SaaS. It is possible with the government that has played a key role in nurturing and building a strong startup ecosystem. The median revenues of global SaaS companies have doubled in the last 5 years, but their valuation has gone up to 5 times in the same period. The market for technology products is strong for the foreseeable future, and hence the opportunity for Indian SaaS companies is immense. With the support of the strong ecosystem which is already in place, the number of unicorns in India can easily grow 10 times from the current levels in the next 5 years. Let's look into today's headlines in VAR India. HFCL collaborates with Apricom. Homegrown telecom equipment maker HFCL will integrate artificial intelligence into its entire IO products portfolio in partnership with Apricom, an AI-powered Wi-Fi analytics technology provider. The company is now planning to integrate these analytics capabilities for a wider range of products and solutions after successfully deploying and testing the AI-based solution in its PMWA-NI deployments. Zoopy joined hands with Jio. Zoopy, an online casual gaming company, has signed a strategic partnership with Reliance Jio to offer its content on Jio phones. With this partnership, Zoopy is aiming to build an ecosystem for faster and efficient development as well as distribution of products and services to benefit its customers. It has also raised $72 million in its Series B funding round, raising the valuation of Zoopy to $600 million. The funds will be utilized towards developing new products, enhancing immersive design experiences, expanding into new markets, building up market research, hiring new employees, and others. DOT to meet ISRO and other officials to accelerate 5G auction. The Department of Telecommunications is expected to meet senior officials from the Ministry of Home Affairs, the Ministry of Civil Aviation, the Ministry of Defence, and the Indian Space Research Organisation to sort out the final details on 5G spectrum airwaves and the different brands currently occupied by these ministries. The department has also requested ISRO and the Department of Space to not press for its claim on the 26 MHz so that it could make available at least 3000 MHz in accordance with the recommendations made by the International Telecommunication Union. Cryptocurrency Shiba Inu plans to launch its own blockchain. SHIB, a cryptocurrency posed as Dogecoin killer, is soon expected to offer new functionalities to its users such as reduced gas fees along with its own blockchain. The popular cryptocurrency is expected to drop its meme coin tag with the launch of its own blockchain named Shibarium. Creators of Shiba Inu went to launch their own stablecoin called SHI on the blockchain that runs its gas fees on the site, which could actually improve the network's performance as well as establish SHIB as an important digital coin. CMI plans to boost its semiconductor business. CMI Limited is scouting for partners to foray into the semiconductor business. The company is ready to enter into an alliance with prospective manufacturers of semiconductor by leasing out the Buddy plant acquired from US-based Fortune 500 company General Cables in 2016. Aiming to boost semiconductor manufacturing, the government had approved a performance-linked incentive scheme of Rs 76,000 crore. Guidelines on semiconductor incentives will be issued early this month, and prospective companies will be given about 45 to 90 days to respond. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India News Magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.